In this video, we'll guide you on how to integrate your TikTok shop with Merchize Fulfill. If you're ready to sync your products, streamline fulfillment, and boost your e-commerce game on TikTok, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Step 1. Prepare your accounts. Before we start, make sure you have a TikTok shop store, a Merchize account. If you don't have a Merchize account yet, head over to merchize.com and sign up. It's quick and free. Once both accounts are ready, we're set to connect your TikTok shop to Merchize. Step 2. Set up shipping options in TikTok Shop. First, let's ensure your TikTok Shop shipping settings are configured correctly. Make sure your shipping option is set to either seller shipping or TikTok shipping. Select your shipping option and save changes. For this integration, we recommend confirming your shop region is set to the United States. Step 3. Connect your TikTok shop store to Merchize. Now, head over to your Merchize seller dashboard. Click Integrations from the left-hand menu and select TikTok Shop from the list. Click the Connect button to start the integration process. You will be redirected to TikTok Shop's authorization page. Here, choose North America Seller as your account type to begin the authorization. In the Duration dropdown, select Unlimited to ensure seamless access for Merchize. Next, check the box next to by clicking Confirm to agree to the permissions, which allow Merchize to manage your products, orders, and fulfillment. Then, click Confirm to install to proceed. Finally, click Authorize to complete the connection. Step 4. Verify the connection. Once the authorization process is complete, you'll be redirected back to your Merchize dashboard. To confirm everything's set, go to Integrations in your Merchize dashboard and select TikTok Shop. You'll see your TikTok Shop listed with its connection status. If it says active, you're all set to start syncing products. And that's it. Your TikTok Shop is now integrated with Merchize. If you run into any issues, double-check your shipping settings or contact Merchize support for help. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments. See you next time.